Your Holiness. Okay. While in the path of learning, initially when person knows a little bit, he becomes very anxious. I want to know this, I want to know that, I want to know that. His mind is not in peace. And when he knows a little bit more, he becomes egotist and he separates himself from other people. In the both of the cases, when one person knows a little bit less and little bit more, he doesn't become useful to himself and the society. How to handle these kind of things? How one can become useful to self and others in the path of learning?
Kasa, ka. 당구도 가서. As I often use mentioning the existing education system, not much talking about these inner value. So person who come to, so eventually I think whole society, that kind of sort of stay habit, which is this culture. So then, I think the real sort of, as I already mentioned, you see, among the believer, sometimes you see, become troublemaker. Because not lack of knowledge, but lack of the whole warm-heartedness or sense of responsibility. Or I think in positive sense, sometimes in negative sense also sense of responsibility, in negative way. To revenge, you feel sense of responsibility to take revenge. So in any way, it takes time, and we need, I think, Kasota, worldwide effort. So it takes another decade, 1 decade or 2 decades. So we cannot change overnight. But then question is, somewhere must start. Then I feel this country, I think, really worthwhile. So start some work. In America, at least you see, 2 cities I know, I also been, city of compassion, city of kindness. So accordingly, within the sort of the jurisdiction, is a more program about kindness, compassion. As a result, student within that city, you see, they carry more sort of program about compassion, kindness. As a result, student more compassionate and much less sort of the violence. So this, so like that, I think eventually we need worldwide movement. But then we must start. Kasa, Tata Institution. Tata Institution, recently we met, they already committed, you see, making some draft about secular ethics. So this time, now I don't know whether it's a time, Kasota. Otherwise, you see, I think some Tata, so that person, when we met, I think if possible he should sort of invite and he speak. So that institution already committed And then America, the Emory University already committed making draft about secular or universal also the ethics or these things. So there are some small groups and some the universities in India already, you see, also did involve in this field. So eventually, if possible, some used to come this meeting and share with the people here, with the audience. Then eventually, I'm thinking some meeting those organizations as well as individual who really already committed, you see, to existing education should sort of expand. Modern education should be more complete, taking care about our sort of materialistic sort of life and also the inner value. So it is not easy, but some already committed these things. So I think within this year, hopefully, some gathering, some meeting, and then finalize draft, and then share more, at least to 1 or 2 schools. Then observe what effect students after 2, 3, 4 years. If there is some definite sort of effect there, then can expand more school. Next question.